Jack, what are you doing? Turn off the camera. What class? This is not a class, I'm just making my grounding art. You think this might be a good idea to share with people how I pick my one little word for the entire year to guide me through, and then make a composition and abstract art with it and visualize how I'm gonna spend my year being productive? Okay, let's just share them. Look, there is even a microphone here. So, what Jack is talking about is this. I've been working on my grounding art, and he thought that it might be a good idea to share this with you, putting 3 different classes that I made before, putting all the skills together to make what I call grounding art, to pick your one little word to guide you through the year and make an art piece guided by that word. And while you are making that, with every pattern, with every brush stroke, you visualize the obstacles and struggles you will have to go through, but you're gonna be patient and determined, and you're gonna see through. This is what I'm doing, and I can show you how I'm doing that as well. In this class, we will brainstorm to find your one little word for the upcoming year. Think how your art piece should look like based on this word. Create a layout and make a composition. Add patterns and colors while visualizing our obstacles and success. And see this project through just like we will see things through in real life. You don't need any experience or prior knowledge to take this class. So, if you're interested, see you in the class.